I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook urad dal. First, let's get our dal ready. You'll want to take about 1 cup of urad dal and give it a good rinse under cold water. Keep rinsing until the water looks completely clear. This step is super important for cleanliness. After rinsing, soak the dal in about 3 cups of fresh water. Letting it soak for at least 2 hours or even better overnight makes a big difference. It helps the dal cook much more evenly and become wonderfully soft. Now that your urad dal is nicely soaked, it's time to cook it. First, drain off the soaking water completely. Then transfer the dal into a pressure cooker or a sturdy pot. Add about 4 cups of fresh water, 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric powder for color and flavor, and 1 teaspoon of salt. If you're using a pressure cooker, cook for about 3 to 4 whistles. If using a pot, simmer gently, stirring occasionally, until the dal is beautifully tender and creamy, which usually takes around 30 to 40 minutes. To elevate the flavor of your urad dal, a good tadka is essential. In a small pan, heat about 2 tablespoons of ghee or your preferred cooking oil over medium heat. Once it's warm, add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds and let them sizzle and splutter for just a few seconds. Next, add 1 finely chopped onion and sauté it until it becomes a lovely golden brown. Finally, stir in 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste and 1 chopped green chili, cooking for about 1 minute until fragrant. Almost there. Once your tadka is ready, carefully pour it directly over your cooked urad dal. Give it a good stir to ensure all those wonderful flavors are evenly distributed throughout the dal. For a final touch, sprinkle a generous amount of fresh, chopped cilantro leaves on top. It adds a beautiful aroma and a pop of color. Your delicious urad dal is now ready to be served. It pairs perfectly with steamed basmati rice or warm, fluffy flatbreads. Enjoy this comforting and wholesome meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.